Hello all, welcome to Hail Happy Healthy YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to discuss about personal hygiene, and now it is very much important because we are here facing one of the biggest problems on earth, that is with the pandemic coronavirus has brought in. So maintaining personal hygiene must be sounding very easy, but to really maintain it, you need some tips. So here I am with the tips and which can save you from the very harmful virus and you can keep yourself clean. So let's see the kit that you need at your home. The basic kit which can always keep you clean in all ways. So let's just give you a reminder of all of them. So here what do I have? I have the first thing which is necessary, that is the band-aid solution. Look at this. I usually prefer this band-aid hurt-free antiseptic wash because whenever you get a cut or anything, any wound, you need to clean it up. You need to clean the surface of that, and it should be pus-free and you should avoid infections. So I always prefer the Band-Aid Johnson & Johnson product, which I feel is good for adults as well as for kids. I've always used this. And then you need this antibacterial wet wipes. And this is actually still now available in the market. When the hand sanitizer is not, you're not getting hand sanitizers in the market, I feel this will be do a good job for you because you can clean the surface with this, you can wipe your hands with this, and it will be as good as any sanitizer. Though I had a sanitizer which I always keep in stock throughout the year, but it's a small bottle, so just a reminder, if you have a sanitizer, then it's good. Then definitely your teeth, a good toothpaste, and definitely a good brush. Brush your teeth every day, and whenever you are outside and you come back home, try to gargle, wash your mouth, rinse it properly with a Listerine or a mouthwash, and it's going to keep your mouth bacteria free. And definitely the most talked about thing is hand washing. I always use the antibacterial soap. You can see here this soft soap, it's good, and it's written here wash away bacteria. Usually the soaps that you get in the market which are full of fragrance and yeah, everything is good for hand washing, but if you really prefer a good soap which is good for your hands and always keeps the bacteria, it is bacteria free, then I think you can go for this. And this is the band-aid. You can always keep band-aid at home, which will, like, you get any cuts or anything for the kids and anyone in the house for any wound, just clean that area with any good band-aid antiseptic wash, and then you can apply the band-aid on top of that and it will be good for you. You will avoid any sort of infection and it's really working. So now personal hygiene, how do you maintain personal hygiene? You've known that you have to keep yourself clean, wash your hands, and try to keep your mouth clean, not touch your dirty hands, not touch your nose and your mouth with your dirty hands, and maintain as much as sanitary habits during this to avoid the pandemic, which is going on increasing and increasing. To keep your house clean, you can use the Lysol uh, wash and the Lysol uh, solution, which is good for the cleaning of the house. And the most important thing is the human body provides places for disease causing germs and parasites to grow and multiply. So the thing is, the places which include the skin and in and around the openings of the body, it is less likely that the germs and parasite can get inside the body if people have good hygiene habits. So practice this hygiene habits, keep yourself clean, the environment around you clean, and then you are going to stay out of, I don't say out of any disease, but definitely you can avoid the disease to some extent, which is very much necessary. Now, one more thing is when you go to an overcrowded area. Yes, definitely. When you go to an overcrowded area, when there are too many people and you have the likelihood of getting disease more than when you are alone at home. So, when you are at overcrowded areas and you are very close to a person who is sneezing or who is coughing, it's better that you cover your mouth immediately, and definitely after that you can wash your hands to prevent any sort of transmission of germs in that case, because it is always easier for any germs to spread from one person to another, as you know. So, when sneezing and coughing in a crowded area, it is always preferable to cover your mouth to avoid the germs flu. And also, do not share anything. Have your own tissues, have your own uh, mask, and try to keep yourself safe to avoid the COVID 19. So, this is my personal hygiene video, and stay tuned to our channel. We'll be back with some more preventive measures. Thank you.